Hello friends, I'm Adalat. Today we will talk about Terra Classic. Per an update, Kim rolled out a Terra Classic community spend proposal on Sunday seeking to refund a total of 295 million LUNC to several users who were inaccurately taxed following the implementation of the 1.2% LUNC tax burn. As part of the programs to reduce the hyperinflated supply of LUNC, the 1.2% LUNC tax burn was activated on the Terra Classic network on September 12. Notably, at the initial stage of this initiative, some user transactions did not go through due to the problem of gas computation straddling, but taxes were levied nonetheless. We are requesting the total amount of incorrect taxes charged be reimbursed via community pool spend to the users that lost funds during this time. The total reimbursement is 295 MLUNC, Edward Kim wrote. The code to process the reimbursements has been written, he further disclosed. Yes, friends, that's all for today's news and predictions. What are your thoughts? Please do not forget to write your opinion in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to support me. Goodbye.